Sorry for the interruption. Let me share my screen again with you. You see my screen?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, we have been talking about this simple for loop example. Okay, I told you first we begin with I equals 0. So we increment by 1. Increment again, it becomes 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And when we reach 5, the for loop breaks. So if we run our code, I will just comment these lines so we will not get confused. Instead, I will put another print line. I will say beginning of for loop. Okay, let's run and see. So here, our output, beginning of for loop here, then started execution for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 times. Hello Java, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last one. And then for loop broke and we got end of for loop. So you understand the steps of execution. I want you to understand what goes on behind the scenes. Like when we run our program got executed by steps. So I told you a while ago the steps, like first we put the initial value and then we check the condition. After we check the condition, we execute the block of code. This is our first iteration. And we increment the initial value by 1 or by 2 or whatever. Here I increment I by 1. First iteration is done. Then we check again our condition for the second iteration, and so on until this condition become false. Then our for loop will get broken. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. You were asking me a while ago about sometimes I get my for loop running infinite. Okay, I will tell you why. You should pay attention to the condition here inside. Because let me give you an example. Here I give initial value of I equals 0. What if here I change uh, uh, the condition, okay, and I say uh, while I, for example, uh, mm, 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 here, for example, I say I minus minus, for example. Here, condition will always be true. Why? Because I began with 0. Here, with 0. Okay? 0 less than 5, yes, it's less than 5. I will get execute this block. And then I will decrement I by 1, so value will become negative 1. Is negative 1 less than 5? Yes. We'll execute decrement by 1, so it will become negative 2 until negative 1 million. Negative. Still negative 1 million less than 5. So it will get executed and so on and so on and so on. It has no end because the condition here is false. Uh, Not false, but wrong. I mean wrong. Okay? This condition is wrong. And this logic for increment and decrement is wrong also. Okay? So you should pay attention to this part. Your condition should become false at some point. If it will be always true, this for loop will never break. And it will keep running infinitely.
Okay.
Like one more thing I was about to say, like there is a difference between 5 equal 5 and 5 less than 5. 5 equal 5 is true, but 5 less than 5 is false. I don't want you to get tricked or confused. Same thing for 5 bigger than 5. No, it's false. What if I say 5 bigger than, sorry, bigger than or equal 5? Is this true or false?
5 is greater than or equal than 5.
5 is 5 greater than or equal 5?
No.
5 is
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah,
greater
yeah,
than
5.
5?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's
It's
equal.
not greater than, but 5
Yeah.
is 5 equal 5?
Yep.
It's equal, so this is true. Like here we put like two probabilities or two possibilities, like greater than or equal. If any of them is true, so our final result is true. Okay. Same thing for is 5 less than or equal to 5.
Yeah,
You
yes.
tell me the result.
Yeah.
Is it true or false? This condition will return true or false.
It will turn true.
Yes, it will return true because although 5 is not less than 5, but 5 is equal to 5. So one of these two uh,
It's true.
conditions here, yes, is true, which is 5 equal to 5. So our final result is also true. You should understand this point very well, okay, while dealing with loops in general. Whether it's for, while, or do while, you should understand very well the conditions, okay? Uh, I want to give you another example for the infinite loop. What if here I have for loop and sorry, here I want to uh, print this is infinite loop. This will run forever and never stop. What we're gonna write here in between these uh, two brackets to make this
You
line run forever. We have a
in your
very
initial,
we
yeah,
have we have a very easy syntax to do that. we just put two semicolons. Okay, if I try to run my code, I just comment this later. I will, I will correct my logic here, and then I will run my code again.
Is it nested? Did you nest it?
No, it's not nested
Okay.
here because I have only one for loop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, of course I have two for loops, but none of them is inside the other. Like the, this line 44 is the end of my first for loop. Okay, this 48 is the end of my second for loop. Okay, this second for loop is outside the first for loop, so it's not nested at all. Okay, as you can see down here, our sentence keep repeating forever, forever, forever without stop. Why? Because here on purpose I made for loop infinite loop. Okay.
There's no condition. There's no condition, right?
Yes, no condition, no any logic, just put double semicolon. This will run for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn. Do you want to talk about nested for loop for now, or we can postpone to next meeting?
Postpone maybe. Postpone for this.
Yes, I don't want you to get confused. That's why now it's time to you to practice. Okay.
Okay.
So I will stop sharing, and it's time for you to share your screen with me. Okay.
Okay.
And uh, perform the same example I just showed you. Uh, you do it on your own. Show me how you're gonna do it. Okay, great. No, bro, please go to a new line. Like, don't say public static on the same line.
Oh, yeah. No, I
And
just press enter to use that
yeah,
anyway.
okay. Hit enter. Yes, we move to a new line. Also, you don't have to type on your own public static void. If you just type NA, a suggestion will appear to you. Hit enter. All this will get uh, typed automatically on the screen. Okay. Mm, okay. Yes, exactly. Use the suggestion. You don't have to type everything on your own. Yes, int. Okay, num equals 0. Exactly. Okay, that's our first part inside the two brackets, semicolon, and then the second part is a condition. So our num is 0. What is the condition we want to check?
Bigger than less 5.
Num less than, okay, 5, okay, and semicolon. Num plus plus. Perfect. No, 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 no. We should create a block of code. How we're gonna create a block of code? Using two curly brackets. Just put the opening curly bracket and hit a new line. Yes. Now I have the closing curly bracket. In between, I can type any code I want. Okay, and it will get executed only if this condition is true. No.
So print line.
Yes, yes, print line.
And how about we'll just print
You can put whatever.
okay.
Uh, Accurate. Okay.
Wait. I'll run it.
Okay. Run. Run to see the output.
That's slow. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Very good. We have the word accurate printed 5 times, which is very good. Okay. I want you now to make a new program that print on the screen numbers from 1 to 25.
Okay.
Let's do
So
it.
I do new
Yes.
program.
Yeah, create a new program, okay, that prints numbers from 1 to 25 on the screen using for loop, of course. It rejects because you already have a class called loop2. So here, name it anything, okay. Just try to make this name meaningful. Like, okay, loops3, it's okay.
Do for loop. One, right? We'll do 0. So doing 2.
It's up to you, but you should know that the requirement we should print from 1 to 25.
Number is greater less than 25.
Bro, you make a mess because you don't follow my advice. Here you have problem. You made a problem for yourself. You're not helping yourself. I'm not gonna tell you what the problem is. You should find it on your own and fix it also on your
25, 0 to 25.
own.
25 equal to 25. That's right, equal. Decrement and country. I just want to see. I'm just going to see what happens. Is it okay? Oops.
It will never run like that because you have, oh, Okay.
Let's see what happens. I don't know what happened.
What will happen is it will print accurate.
Oh, one time.
Yeah, yes, it will never print any number.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Mm.
1 for loop.
Okay,
Okay, we want a
let's see what
25.
will
You want to print.
happen.
Okay.
I'm telling you it's wrong.
I'm just gonna.
Hmm.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25
Yes, I
times.
want
So
from 1 to 25. So on first line I get 1, second line I get 2, third line I get 3, and so on until I reach 25, and then program stop.
yeah. Is there faster way to do this?
No, no, no. You're doing it completely wrong.
Oh, okay.
Like, what's the use of repeating system.out.print while I'm already
25.
using for loop?
Yeah.
Like,
Um.
I'm using for loop to save my time and energy and not to duplicate the print line statement more than once. So here I
Uh.
should print the value inside the variable num. But here you print a constant of 1 or 2 or whatever. No, I should print the
Yeah.
value inside
No.
the number.
No.
Mm,
Oh, I see. I get it now. Yeah. Oh, it's 1. It needs to be 1 though.
mm,
I don't know why I didn't figure that out. I should.
it's okay.
24. It goes up to
It,
24, not 20.
mm,
Yeah, 24.
you are only one step away from reaching our goal.
1 to 24. See what happens.
Mm,
Oh, no, it was 25. So 25. I'll see if I do 1, 0. I think I did that already. 24 only. It goes up to 24. So I think
we went from 1 to 25.
0 to 26. See what
Still, still not accurate. Scroll up, please. Yeah, it starts from 0, but I wanted to start from 1.
okay. 1.
Mm, run, run your code. Mm, okay, now it's correct. Like it starts with 1 and it increments 1 by 1 until we reach 25. So it's correct. Can you uh, create a new program, but the logic will be the opposite. Like we want to start from 25 and then we
Yep.
count down until we reach 1. Can you do it?
Yep.
Okay,
Uh,
but you are making great progress.
thanks.
Mm, Mm.
One. Num.
As I told you before, pay attention to the condition logic, because if it's not accurate, this whole for loop, it will break.
One.
I want it to be corrupted. It should be perfect. So pay attention to what you're writing.
No equals 20. Num. See if this works. So num is 25. Num. Num is num is 20. Greater. I'm just gonna figure it out.
It will easily help
Um,
you, but I want you to think about it, okay? Because I want you to learn how to translate your uh, ideas into a running code, okay?
I'm just gonna see what happens. I don't know what happened. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I make the same mistake as last time.
It's okay, bro. Just focus, okay? You should know your goal and try to translate your goal into running code, working code.
Yeah, it's wrong, all wrong. Okay.
You
Into
just did the same examples that I showed you a while ago. When you mess up with these conditions, okay, and you don't do it the right way, it happens exactly like what you just did right now. Just focus. We need to start from the big number and then we count down until we reach the smallest number.
yeah, okay, I'll get that. Start with 25, 26. Yeah, 25. And then we will no, yes. Something that's greater than 0. Oops. Um, greater than 0.
Congratulations. See?
Thank you.
Yeah, when you think about it and you keep trying, okay, then you will succeed. Apart from that, you will not succeed. So, yeah,
Yeah,
congratulations. Okay.
thank you. Yeah, I'll keep practicing
You're doing
this on week.
you're doing very well today.
Yeah,
I'm so proud of you.
I
Like
do a little.
you are doing a great job.
Mhm. Thank you. Yeah,
You're welcome. Most welcome,
yeah. No,
brother.
it's I'll practice this week.
It's tiring, but I told you before, consistency is the key, and you're consistent. That's why
Yeah.
you're making progress. I'm proud of you. I hope this
Should
session
I practice
is clear. Yes, of course, you should keep practicing uh,
practice?
for this for loop.
Should I practice other loops?
Since I,
Should I practice while loop as well? Or
no. Like, wait. We will discuss while loop and do while loop next session. Uh,
okay, sounds good.
yes, I want you to make a revision on our meeting today, and then you practice multiple times, make many programs on onwards and backwards using for loop. Okay, and next time we're gonna talk about nested for loop, and then we're gonna talk about while loop and do while loop. Okay.
Okay, that sounds good. That
If
sounds
you
great.
have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Okay, I will.
Uh, like,
Thank you.
during the week also, if you have any question, you can send it to me anytime.
For
Okay?
sure, I will send you. Yes, for sure.
Okay. Good luck practicing. Okay, and see you in next meeting.
Yeah, see you next meeting. Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
you're welcome. Take care.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.